I don't think it takes a genius to recognize that we're pretty big fans of budgets around here, and that's because of the clarity that they give us about our priorities and our money. Our budgets are like the mom hanging over her son's shoulder as he packs for his first summer at camp.
Did you pack extra underwear? Don't pack your new shoes. This is camp, not the Sistine Chapel.
Our budgets give us all the information we need to be ready for those expected and even sometimes unexpected expenses, allowing us to determine what areas we can cut back on to feed our true priorities.
You know, if you took out one of those 12 comic books, you might have room for some pants. You know you need pants at camp, right?
Are you seeing the magic here? If your number one goal is to pay down your debt, then your budget can give you all the right information and strategy to do just that. When I was 6, I got glasses. Man, that changed the whole game. Before, I obviously had a vague idea of what was going on in the world around me, but put those glasses on and all of a sudden I could see that trees had leaves. I could see crystal clear what had been happening right in front of me the whole time. Your budget kind of does the same. All of a sudden, the expenses you need to pay are illuminated and defined down to the penny. You know how much you'll need, when you'll need it by, and how that random $100 purchase you were considering doesn't actually fit into the plan at all right now. It's easier to decide how much money should go to your debt when you know exactly what you're sending every other dollar to. Why? Because you're gaining clarity. Even if you're trying to be frugal, it may still feel like you've been bleeding money and you're not even sure where it's all going. Tracking your spending solves this. It will not only help you see where to cut back, but show you that you are making progress. Facing the reality of where the money is going can be scary eye-opening. You may have moments where you think,
oh my gosh, I cannot believe how much you were spending on drive-thru meals before soccer practice.
Or,
man, these last-minute Amazon orders are really getting out of control.
But that's a good thing. You're learning. You're getting information you didn't have before, and that same information is what will be the foundation of your financial plan. So as you track your spending, keep note of which categories your spending falls into. There's a bunch of ways you can track this. Are you a pen and paper kind of person? Keep a little pocket notebook with you wherever you go and write down each expense as they happen. Online, at the gas station, even the Little League concession stand. This may not be the most sustainable option over time, and we totally get that. But the awareness that comes with recording spending right as it happens is so powerful. Don't underestimate it, and at the very least, this is a great starting point. If you're a bit of a spreadsheet wizard, you may try Excel or Google Sheets. And bonus, both are available on your mobile device, which saves you from having to carry around paper and pen, or a desktop computer. It's basically a win-win. If you use a debit card or a credit card for all your spending, your bank or credit card company is already tracking it for you. Did you know you can download all your past transactions and pull them into Excel or Google Sheets? This is an awesome way to analyze your past spending, but you will miss the awareness that comes with recording the dollars you're spending at the point of sale. And lastly, the You Need a Budget app can track your spending as well, and personally, it's my favorite option and the one I've been using for 3 years now. You can record spent dollars at the point of sale, connect your bank to pull in the data for you, or do a little of both. You can easily assign every transaction to categories like groceries or clothes, or even coffee if you want. We have a whole video course entirely focused on setting up your perfect budget to fit your exact needs. But I have to say, no matter what method floats your boat, it is so important to track your spending. This healthy little habit will show you exactly where each and every dollar is going, helping you take control of your money so you can focus on what matters most to you, like paying down your debt and never going back into it again.